Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about materials that can conduct electricity. Do all materials conduct electricity?
No. Some materials can conduct electricity while others cannot.
Teacher, how do we find out which materials can conduct electricity?
Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a battery, a light bulb, and some electrical wires. You will also need a copper coin, plastic ruler, wooden ruler, paper clip, eraser, graphite from a pencil, aluminium foil, and a handkerchief as our test materials for today. We will be using a circuit to test the materials. What components should we use to build it?
We can use the battery, light bulb, and wires to build the circuit.
That's right. Let's use the copper coin as our first test material. Include the copper coin as part of the circuit by clipping a wire to two of its ends. Observe what happens to the light bulb. What did you observe? Pause the video and share your observation with your classmates.
The light bulb lit up.
Yes! This means that the copper coin conducts electricity. So, the copper coin is an electrical conductor.
What if we replace the copper coin with a handkerchief?
Let's see. What did you observe? Pause the video and share your observation with your classmates.
The light bulb did not light up this time.
This means that the handkerchief does not conduct electricity. Hence, the handkerchief is an electrical insulator.
That's right. Now that we know how the experiment goes, let's go ahead and do the same for the rest of the test materials. It's time to observe the results of our experiment. Based on the results, which test materials are electrical conductors and which are electrical insulators?
The copper coin, paperclip, graphite and aluminium foil are electrical conductors.
Meanwhile, the plastic ruler, wooden ruler, eraser, and handkerchief are electrical insulators.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.